Hello guys, today we have a problem with this toy car. Everything is good. The only problem is the forward is not working. So when I choose the forward switch and I press the pedal, it doesn't work. But it only works when I choose the reverse. Reverse is working. And when I choose the swing, it is working. So the motor, I think, is still good. It's still moving forward and backward. And this toy car also has a remote. I still can use this remote for backward and forward and backward. And also for the steering, it's still working. And the only problem is this manual pedal with the switch. So today we are gonna fix this, and I'm gonna check one by one. Maybe it's the switch, loose cable, corrosion, or damaged switch, or it has also a damaged broken pedals, corrosion, or sometimes it's working. See, for forward working, and sometimes it's not working. Yes, and sometimes it's working. Let's choose the forward and press again. It's not working again. So this is my suspicion. Let's open the pedal switch and let's check. Okay, let's get started. Okay, to open the pedal, usually I lift the car like this so I can see clearly from below. This is the pedal area, and we can see there's one screw there. We need to open. And after we remove the screws, can easily open like this. This is the switch. Another way to test the switch is we need to remove these two cables. If it's hard to unplug, you can use any oil lubricant like this, WD-40 or any other oil lubricant. Just spray. So maybe sometimes it's a corrosion and rust going on there, so it will blocking the connection. And to test the cable is still good or not, you just can connect together. So I guess the cable is still good. This is backward. And the forward position, it's not working. So this is not the pedal problem. We need to check the forward switch also, forward and backward switch. Okay, after we check the pedal, now we need to check the switch button, and we need to open this part, this dashboard part. We need to open the screws. And for the steering wheel, there are two clips here, this side and this back side. You can press and pull. like that. And we have screws here also. We have screws. Now we can open the engine cover. We have also screws here, 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 and here. We can remove the glass, the front glass, like this, and we can open the dashboard from these screws. We have 4 screws also. Now we can almost open this dashboard and we can check the switch. Okay, let's open the screws. Okay, after we remove all the 4 screws, I think I need to open the screws also, the steering wheel screws. And this is our forward and backward switch from behind. Okay, to test the switch, if it's still good or not, this is a 3 legs switch. We can use the multimeter like this. I usually test with this diode and continuity test. This is the symbol, so it can test the connectivity. If you touch the probe together, it will be beeping. So this position, diode and continuity test, usually I choose to make a test for the connection, for the switch or anything for continuity or connectivity. For example, I want to test the backward position that previously is still working. So we can choose the backward position and we can test with multimeter. I'm sorry guys, I'm using one hand. This and this. Yes, we have a connection. Okay, for forward we have a connection, but it is on and off. It is on and off. I guess a loose connection from the cables or from the pin. See, it is on off. Okay, maybe I will try to spray this with oil lubricant. This is usually my lifesaver for any corrosion or any damaged connection. Usually switch problem is causing by corrosion and rust and loose connection only. Okay, after I spray and I check the another pin, this side, this is also the same side as this side. You can also remove the cable into this side. I already checked this side. This has a more stabilized connection compared this one. See, this side is more stable. So maybe I'm gonna use this side for the forward. Maybe I'm gonna move the blue and yellow cable into this side. And this is our switch. Actually, after you spray with oil lubricant, actually you can lift up the housing. Maybe I'm gonna use my screwdriver like that, and you can lift up the socket. This is the female socket and that one is a male socket. Most of the case these copper plates are corrosion or loose connection, so it will make the switch not working properly. So we need to remove the rust or corrosion from this copper plate, or we need to make it bend a little bit so it will tight connect to this switch pin more firmly. For example, here in the middle, and this is the left pin. It is a good connection for the backward, and for the forward position we need to test this pin, either this one or this one. It is the same. And now we need to test the forward position that previously is not working. The position is forward. Now we will test with multimeter. We put the one probe into middle and the other probe in this position. This is working. This is not working. So I guess this pin is broken. We can move the cable into here, into this pin. Maybe I will move the yellow cable into here, into this side. So yeah, this side is not working. This is the same side. The up and down pin is the same. This side for the yellow cable before is not working, but this side is working. See, it has a connection when we choose the forward position. So yeah, this is the broken pin. We need to move the cables into this one. Okay, this is our female socket here with the copper plate. Usually the problem for the connectivity is loose copper plate or corrosion rusty copper plate. We need to clean with the contact cleaner or oil lubricant. In this case, we need to move the yellow cable. We need to move the yellow cable into this position, the neighbor pin. Okay guys, for a learning purpose, I removed the housing from the socket, so the socket now doesn't have a housing anymore. So you can see clearly. So the original position before, the blue one connected to the middle like this. The green connected to the left side like this, and the yellow, because of that pin is broken, I will put the yellow one here. So this is the new position. Now we need to put all parts back together and let's see how it works. Okay guys, after doing several tests, I think the best position is we move all the cables into the other side. So after doing all continuity tests, I think this is the best position to move all the cables into this side. Okay, after this we need to put back all the parts together and let's see how it works. Okay, after the steering wheel installed and the dashboard installed, now we need to test first. We turn on the power.
Music mode.
And now we choose the forward and we try the pedal. Yeah, it's working. Okay, it's working. For backward, and it's working also. Okay, now the last step, we need to install the glass and the machine cover. Oh, okay, let's try the car. Let's turn on the key and let's choose the forward position that before broken, and we press the pedal. Yes, it's working. And try backward now. And this is also working. Okay guys, that's it. That's how you fix the toy car that the switch is not working, especially this forward button. You just only need to clean to check the connection. Is there any loose cables or corrosion going on behind the switch or inside the switch? I'm doing only cleaning with the contact cleaner or oil lubricant, and everything is good now. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for your like and subscribe and sharing the video. It will support me making more videos in the future. Thank you very much. Terima kasih and bye bye.